Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with aspect ratio at the first place, so for now we are in 4:3. Let's change it to 1:1. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one now. Another tap to right corner and we can move to the full one. So for now we have full camera frame. And once again let's pick it to go to 16:9. So we see a little bit shorter than the full now. And of course, by tapping on the right button you can go to whatever you need with aspect ratio. Now let me move back to 4:3. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.